Okay, next is boosted tree, and add a bag is the library, and we already have established that. Now, for boosting to work, you need to have the target as a factor hard coded. So right now the factor, if you look at str train, um, you see the personal loan is an integer. So that needs to be set as a factor. So we need to do train. Okay, dot. I'm going to put that in a new data frame. Train factor df is train dot df. Okay, so we have a copy of it, and then we say train dot factor dot df personal loan should be as factor. Okay, train dot factor dot df personal loan. Okay, so run that to make a copy, then run that, and now if you do an str, you see that personal loan is a factor. But once that is done, then we can run boost, and once again we set seed to 1. Okay, and then let's call this boost. So we'll save the boost results there. Boosting is the one with add a bag, that's the library. Okay, so boosting, so now it's already factor, so we don't have to so as factor. So now we have personal loan and everything else as predictor. Okay, and data equal to train dot factor dot df. Okay, so you run that. So with the default parameters, boost goes through a long process. It takes a while for it to find the best tree. Okay, once it is done, then we can do the confusion matrix. For the validate set, then we need to do boost spread VL for validate, and we will do predict, and we will use boost, the results saved in boost. Okay, new data equal to valid dot df. This will generate for us predicted classes. Okay, now let's look at boost pred.vl. So here we have the class. So right here, class, you see it's character. So when you do the confusion matrix, we have to convert that to a factor. So as factor boost.pred.vl what class. Okay, so that's the predicted class, and then the actual class will be as factor again valid.df personal loan. So that will generate for us, and once again we need to put positive equal to 1. Okay. Now for ROC we need the probabilities. Okay, and we already saw the probabilities are here. So let's look at what the probabilities look like. Okay, so here are two columns of probabilities. So which one do we need? Okay, so first column is for 0, the second column is for 1. So since 1 is our uh, positive class, so we need to use the second column for probability. So again ROC, okay, the first item is the class, the actual class. So valid DF personal loan. Okay, and then the next one is the probability boost spread.VL, and here we use probability and all rows second column. All right, and then the rest. So I'm going to copy paste from here all the rest. Okay, make sure that the parentheses are okay. I have an extra one here. Okay, get rid of that. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so it improved a little bit here. 99.6 is the area under the curve.